Basically, today I would like to talk about something that's very important, which is plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a serious problem in our world today. We use plastic in everywhere, and it doesn't break down easily. We also know that it stays in our soil, and also it stays for thousands of years. Plastic pollution happens when we throw plastics in the street, in the river, in many places, and also we throw plastics in every day, like plastic bottles, plastic chairs, and many other things. Every day many people use plastic and they don't think about what is next. One of the biggest problem of this thing is we use plastic just at once, and when we use it then we'll throw it. That's why and also many countries doesn't have their own recycling systems. That's why plastic keep increasing day by day. Plastic pollution has many bad effects, like it harms for animals. Basically, sea animals it suffer most because they take plastic by mistakenly, and sometimes harmful chemicals from plastic get into our body, and it's gonna be hurtful for us. There are many ways to stop plastic pollution, like we should use paper bag, cloth bag, and also we should use many other things. We must try to recycling plastic as much as possible and avoid the plastic. In conclusion, I'd like to say plastic is important, as well as plastic is also very harmful for us. Thanks very much for today. Thank you.